Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're enjoying your first cup of coffee with Marla June. So, today I want to let you know that Thursday, Friday, Saturday of this week, we are going to be doing holiday open house. And so, we're going to have refreshments, we're going to have snacks, we're going to have drawings. So, lots of fun going on here at Marla June's all 3 days. So, come in and shop with us. Get ready for the holidays. We've got lots of gift ideas for you. So now is a great time to shop as we have a great selection for you. We have a lot of Brighton. We have Uno Day 50, which while we're on Uno Day 50, my Uno Day 50 rep will be here tomorrow on Thursday. She'll come at 11, probably stay till 3 or 4. And she will have all new Uno Day 50 collections that you can see in special order. So we do have new Uno here at the store in stock also. So Thursday from 11 to 3, my Uno rep will be here. She'll have lots of samples for you to look at and special order. So be sure to mark your calendar for tomorrow to come in and shop with us. But we are going to be celebrating holiday open house Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So today I am going to show you outfit inspirations of things we have right here at the store for you to come in, shop, start thinking about Christmas gifts, or maybe you need a new outfit for the weekend. I try to show you extra small up to XL, 16, 18. We do have a great selection here. So be sure to call, text message me, or come in if you see something that you want more information on. My first outfit is for a small. So the small is going to fit like a size 4. And I only have one left in this beautiful blazer. It's got the khaki and the navy blue. It's a Liverpool. And then I have the small navy elbow sleeve t-shirt underneath it. I've accessorized with some Uno Day 50 and also a cute little phone hobo bag in the denim blue. So I'm going to pair it back with just one of our great Liverpool denim. So this outfit is for my size 4. Super cute, cute casual. Blazer looks great back with just any of your denim. So really great outfit that you could come in and get today for my size 4. And my next outfit, this is going to fit a 2-4. I do have a few left in this great little, it's an ankle flare. So it's a pull on, it's a Liverpool. It's got really fun colors. And then it looks actually really good back with this little turtleneck. I only have the extra small left, which is going to fit a 2-4. So this outfit is for my 2-4, but super cute together like that. And I wanted to show you this new top because you could put black back with this little pant also. This is a really cute new little sweater. It's so pretty on. It's a V. And then look at the sleeve. It's got really cute detail on the body. It's just super cute. So I do have small through XL right now in the little black sweater. Only the extra small in this. And this is a size 2, so we do have a few pair of these left. So this outfit in particular is for my size 2-4. And then this outfit is also for my small, but I wanted to show how you can wear some of the leather jackets. You know, just wear it even over this great sweater dress. So this sweater dress I do have up to XL in, but it's just a really great piece by itself. Or it's a great little layering piece. You can put any jacket over it and it looks great. So I'm showing it with our little black leather. So this little black leather looks great with all your like dresses and stuff because it is a little more fitted and shorter. And then accessorized with maybe a cute little bed stew with a little pop of color there. And this cute casual outfit, so I'm going to show it back with just a light wash denim. This is one of our new Liverpools that is the crop flare. Super cute now. You can show off your booties. So I love the length of the little ankle flares. I wanted to show how cute you could make it just with this sweater. Super cute outfit. Or you could maybe add one of the Johnny Was in this cute thermal that has the blue detail, if you can see that. So that looks super cute just back with your denim. So this outfit is for my small medium, but we do have sizes in the sweater. And we do have some sizes in the thermal. So be sure to come in and try on, because I do have more sizes than just the small medium. And then this outfit is for my 6'8". Really pretty, just white Joseph Ribkoff top that, you know, you could dress up or down. It's going to look great back with denim, or I'm going to put it with our new little plaid. So isn't this cute with the white? So that could make a really cute outfit. And as we're getting into cooler weather and you need a little layering piece, we have this new black testimony jacket, and I do have extra small to XL in this right now. So that could make a really nice outfit for you, or maybe as a gift. And then this outfit, I'm just showing it by itself without, I'm just going to put it back with a denim or a little black denim. I wanted to show you this really great little tribal puffer vest. And then the little black pleather. You can wear this as a shirt or a jacket. So it is a shacket. So really cute on. So these are both pieces that we have in the store that we do have most sizes. Small up to XL. And then get back into a little more of a suit look, which is a big trend right now. I wanted to show this Joseph Ribkoff suit. So this one is for my size 6'8", but I do have this little blazer up to a 16, and I do have some sizes in the pant up to 12, 14. So we do have more sizes of the suit. Very slenderizing, and you can wear them as separates. This looks great back with our little black sweater. This you could just put with a denim and a black bootie or a black dress pant. So really great if you're looking for a great blazer. We do have lots of great blazers in the store right now. So this outfit is more for my size large, size 12. So I only have the 12 in this great little Charlie B. It's got the cute little ankle detail in the kind of a chestnut color, size 12. And then I'm going to put it back with our long shacket in this beautiful blush gray and chestnut colors with the ivory. So that could make a really cute outfit for my size 12. The little shacket, I do have extra small up to XL in the shacket. And then back with the size 12 little pant, you could also do this outfit. So I only have a large in this amazing little black jacket. It's a really nice lightweight. You could wear it buttoned up. It's super cute, or just wear it open as a jacket. And I put our little Frank Lyman top with that. So this could make a super cute outfit for my size 12. And then as we get into maybe some holiday parties, I wanted to show that we do have a few really nice going into holiday. This beautiful little washable, it looks like silk, but it's not. It's just a washable little green top. We do have quite a few sizes in right now. And then we have a few of this really dressy wide leg. So this outfit is for my size 14, but I do have quite a few sizes in the green, and we do have a 10 and a 14 in this pretty little wide leg. At this point, we do still have time to special order in for the holiday if it's not sold out. So be sure to let me know if it's something you love or you want to come in and try on. And then another great holiday outfit is this one, and I have shown it, but I want to show it. So this is I have sizes up to 14, 16 in this. So I think it's awesome together, but they're really great separately. And then this little top would look pretty with the pant I just showed you with the little wide leg. That could make a really pretty dressy outfit also. And then a couple items that we only have one left in the XL, size 16, is this pretty sweater. Love the colors. It's a Joseph Ribkoff. So we only have an XL. It looks, you can wear it with jeans. You could wear it, dress it up with black, put it over a jumpsuit. And then also the little jacket I'm wearing. I have this in the store in a 16. It's a beautiful, I put it back with our copper top, which I do have a few of these. And then I'm wearing our pleather chocolate brown legging pant. It's a zip up, really great fit. And I do have the chocolate brown pant, small to XL. So it does look great with this jacket. And so this outfit could fit my size 16. And then, of course, the other chocolate brown I have is the Joseph Ribkoff dress pant in the chocolate brown. So it looks great back with this also, or you could do black also. So those are my outfit inspirations of just a few of the outfits we have for you here at Marla June's. So I hope you have plans to come shop with me this week. We're doing our holiday open house Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So be sure to come shop with us. Thank you.